let's talk about something that you might not be thinking about every day. Your website and your back-end platforms. These digital tools are crucial for your business, but are they working for you or are they working against you? Today, we're uncovering some sneaky UX mistakes and how they could be costing you, and, of course, how you can dodge them. Alright, picture this. A big client's on your website ready to make a purchase. But wait, I can't figure out the navigation. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Frustrated? They bounce. Poof! There goes your golden opportunity. Unfortunately, it's a lot more common than you think. Let's go over the usual suspects. The first one, and most importantly, is poor navigation. Your website's like a maze, and not even in a fun way. KISS, baby. Keep it super simple. Simplify your navigation, use labels that actually make sense, and guide your users to where they need to go. Second is your lack of responsiveness. Mobile users are here to stay. If your site's not playing nice on all devices, you're missing out. Get it responsive and don't forget to test, test, test.